Hello everyone, I hope you're enjoying your evening. I am at my beautiful daughter's home and she uses essential oils quite a bit for cooking. This is not an area that I've really explored a lot, and she does post recipes to this page. Actually, she posted a recipe for a chicken and chickpea dish, and she said that it was absolutely amazing. So check that recipe out and try it. Tonight she is making homemade lasagna, and she has actually made her own pasta dough, and it's just resting now. We're going to roll out the pasta dough. And so she is using the oils in her filling. So I'm going to spin it around and I'm going to let her explain to you what's in her filling and how she's going to use some oils. Here we go. So there we go. Her name's Sasha. Hi, Sasha.
Hi, everyone. Yeah, so like my mom said, I really like to use the oils in cooking. I find it a lot easier than having the fresh herbs on hand or fresh lemons, things like that. It's easy to just go into my cupboard and grab what I need, and plus they're super potent, so you don't need a lot. So for my filling right now, I have chopped up fresh spinach, some chopped up mushrooms, light ricotta, salt and pepper, and then some minced garlic, and that's all I'm going to put into it other than the seasoning. So for my oils, the three that I've chosen to use are oregano, basil, and lemon. So similar like you would use your fresh basil. I'm going to go ahead and use a full drop of the basil. So I'll just be very careful and slowly do it because they're very potent, as I said. So one basil. I'm going to do 2 lemon because I really like lemon. And it gives it a nice kind of tangy bite. So 1, 2, and then I will do 1 full oregano too, because I'm making kind of a big batch, so it'll be okay. And I've kind of played around with them, so I know how much I need. 1 of those. If you're doing this for the first time though, and you're wanting to use an oil in a recipe, I would say go slow, so perhaps just use a toothpick and kind of dip it into the oil and then stir it in your dish, and you can always add more because once you add a full drop, you can't take it out. So start small, but if I'm just making like a salad for myself, I'll use the toothpick tip and just stir it around if it's a smaller serving. So that's all I'm going to do. I'm going to mix it in there, and then as my mom said, we are making our own pasta tonight, so I have that setting, and then she gifted me this pasta roller for Christmas, so I'm excited to break it in and use it and make some homemade pasta for our lasagna. So it'll turn out very good, I'm sure, but maybe we'll post a picture when we're done.
Yeah, do that. Awesome. Thanks, Sash. So comment below if this is useful to you and if you're interested in learning more about using oils in cooking, and I will arm wrestle her and get her to maybe do a little Facebook group where she talks about cooking with the oils and post some of her favorite recipes, because I think that would be really cool. But I need to know if you guys are interested in that. So absolutely comment below if that's something you want us to do, and we will work on it. And I think that's it. Enjoy your weekend, guys. And yeah, don't be afraid to play with your oils and expand into other areas, and you know, spread that that oily love all over your life. So thanks, and we'll see you soon.